Introducing Social Stage, an easy-to-use platform for building robust and dynamic Facebook pages. Tired of boring pages? Watch the flexibility and functionality of your page skyrocket using Social Stage, winning you more likes and more promotion. Social Stage helps you create powerful websites that are placed directly inside your Facebook page, tailored for your specific needs. Are you a business looking to build and manage your own site? A social media professional or agency looking to build a new or existing Facebook page solution business? Or perhaps a brand manager needing a robust solution for lots and lots of Facebook pages? Now you can have a complete web presence inside your Facebook page where you can force visitors to like it, to gain access, capture leads with customizable forms, promote your products, showcase your locations, and more. Social Stage gives you all of the power of a complete website right inside your page. Ready to use Facebook better? Ready to capture leads and sales? Ready to expand your social media presence? Take a look at our programs to see which Social Stage solution is right for you.